Hi, this is Learn Igbo on igboticnono. Okay, welcome to this video. Okay, on an introduction to Igbo language. I feel this topic is very important to teach, and I hope you really listen and understand so that it can help you to start being comfortable in speaking Igbo. Okay, this is like a broad explanation on something that is very important that can equip you in learning this Igbo language. Okay, so the basics of speaking and understanding Igbo is a language spoken primarily in the southeastern Nigeria, okay, by over 24 million people worldwide. Okay, so Igbo is a very big language spoken in the eastern part of Nigeria, obviously. Okay, the Igbo language is a tonal language. The Igbo language is a tonal language, meaning that the tone of a word can change its meaning. Do you understand? It's a tonal language, and this is not particularly only in Igbo. I know most dialects has this tonal thing I'm saying right here. The tonal language meaning that the tone of a word can change its meaning. Okay, Igbo has two basic tones. We have the high and the low tone. In Igbo, we have the high tone and the low tone. The high tone is represented by an acute accent, and the low tone is represented by a grave accent, Okay. For example, the word nne can mean mother. Okay, with a high tone, nne can mean mother with a high tone, but in the other way around, when it's a low tone, it means nne, that is truth. Onne, that is truth. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So don't be overwhelmed when you don't be overwhelmed when you see a word in Igbo that means two different things. I'm just trying to break it down. Igbo can come with a high tone, it can come with a low tone, just like I've given you an example here. When you say nne, you see it's high. Nne is mother. But when you say nne is truth. When someone is saying the truth, nne is truth, okay? Igbo has 36 letters in its alphabet. 36 letters in its alphabet, consisting of B vowels, and 28 consonants. Okay, consisting of B vowels and 28 consonants. The vowel sound includes a, I, o, u. Do you understand? Yes, this is the vowel sounds in Igbo language. A, I, o, u, as well as I, o, o, which are marked with dots under to indicate their tones. Do you understand? Igbo has subject, verb, and object in it, okay? It's a language meaning that the subject of a sentence usually comes first, followed by the verb, and then the object. For an example, Obonna is a subject in this sentence. Obonna is a subject in this sentence. Bo is a verb in this sentence. Bo is a verb in this sentence. Okenye is object in this sentence. Meaning Obonna is an adult. Obonna is an adult. Okay, let's go again. For example, Obonna bu okenye, meaning Obonna is an adult, where Obonna is the subject and bu is the verb and okenye is the object, identifying what it is. Verb, expressing, what verb means already, okay? And the Obonna is the subject. So I know most of the languages, most of the dialects, whatever it is, usually have verb, subject, and object in it. Some like I'm learning right now, okay? I have a language I'm learning, I will also have this like this. Okay, so in Igbo language, there are various ways to address someone depending on their age, their social status, their relationship to you. Okay, there are various ways to address someone depending on their age, their social status, and their relationship to you. For example, nwa. Nwa is used to refer to a child or someone younger. When you say nwa, it's used to refer to a child or someone younger. For example, nwa is used to refer to a child or someone younger than you. Okay? While nna is used to refer to a father or someone older than you. Okay? There are also many useful phrases in Igbo that you can use to start conversation. You know, that you can use to start conversation, greet people, ask for directions, and more. Do you understand? Some common phrases includes kedo. Kedo is hello. Kedo is hello. Kedo is hello. Kedo is hello. I've said it so. So I've said it several times. Kedo is hello. Ezigbo ndị mmadụ. Ezigbo ndị mmadụ. Good people. You can also say ezigbo ndị, just to cut it short. Ezigbo ndị means good people. Kedu ka ị mere, which is my regular hair. If you don't know this, then why are you learning Igbo? Kedu ka ị mere is how are you. Kedu ka ị mere is how are you. And dalo is thank you. And dalo is thank you. So these sentences and phrases I used now are usually what you use to start up a conversation. Yes, if you check, it is the fact. Okay, so learning the basic of Igbo language can be, challenging. It can be very challenging. I didn't say it can't. It can be very challenging, but with practice and dedication, you can become, confident, very confident in speaking and proficient in speaking as well. And you can begin to understand it. Do you understand? You can begin to understanding it very well. Well, I hope this introduction to Igbo language has been helpful and informative. Okay, I hope it has been helpful and informative to you guys, because I kind of craft this video I did now. I sat down and I just picked things that is going to make sense and meaning, and that is why I'm quietly and carefully using the words just to make you understand. This is somewhat like I'm explaining to somebody something that the person was not around when it happened. That is the tone I'm using in this video. Okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the red button there, it's free, and turn on the bell notification beside it, okay, to be notified anytime I post a new video. And I hope this introduction to Igbo language is going to help you to start feeling confident, proficient in learning Igbo language, and also enable you to understand what you're learning. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.